The problem I was having, my feet and legs, especially from the knees down, was burning really bad and then freezing, going numb, keeping me awake at night, could barely walk on my feet. It got to that point. I had probably been to several doctors in the last 5 years trying to find out what was wrong. And nobody could tell me. It was just always, we don't know. And then I heard about Dr. Brown and I came to see him, and from the very beginning they assured me that he could take care of my problems. The lady that ran my test said, if there's something there, he'll find it. And honestly, he's given me my life back. I can't thank him enough for what he's done for me and my family. It was well worth it. I would have drove 500 miles to see him if I could have, to know what he's done for me, and I'm serious.